That first deal is really challenging. It's really daunting because you don't know what you don't know, and everything is new, and every decision is a big decision. Now I'm doing my 50th deal or whatever we're doing right now, and it's just kind of like another day at the office because we've done it so often. First real syndication I did was $1.8 million. How the heck are we going to raise $1.8 million? And last year we raised 27 million bucks. I need your money in before this date because I'm going to close this deal with or without you. So if you want in,
Love that.
you need to take action. So I think
That
just
is
trying
the
to do
right
your best
there.
to still that sense of urgency because you have contractual deadlines you've agreed to that you have to go out and commit, or there's real consequences usually for missing deadlines like that. Investors invest with people they know, like, and trust. So if they don't get to know you, like you, trust you through some various platform, they're not going to be likely to invest with you, at least on any sort of meaningful scale. The first people that invest with you is kind of like the 3F rule, right? It's your friends, your families, and fools. So, people that know you well or people that don't know any better, that's usually the first people that give you money when you're doing this. And then as you kind of scale up, like we talked about, being a magnet, attracting people to you is kind of the choice I've done. If you don't really have a history, like you mentioned, it's kind of a team sport. So maybe the first time you're doing a deal or second time you're doing a deal, it's not as much about what you have done. It's more about the team that you assembled and maybe kind of your collective track record. Confidence is earned, right? So it's earned one little step at a time. And you start doing smaller things that lead to the next bigger thing that you do that then eventually kind of snowballs into us having the balls to go out, raise 27 million bucks and do a deal. And I never would have thought that when we first started this thing. And I earned that confidence one step at a time. Life is not given to you. You got to make the most of it while you're here. Tomorrow is not given. So you need to be able to experience some nice things along the way. Live below your means, sacrifice, accumulate some capital, and go put that capital to risk. To make money in this business, there's really two things you need to do. You need to find deals and find money. It's an unfair business. The more you do, the easier it gets.